Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today got something for the Ranger 1000 XP. Probably already know by the title. Got some new tires for this thing. You can't have, or you don't have a custom machine really unless you have custom wheels and tires. So usually that's one of the first things I do, but it's actually going to be one of the last things I do on this project for some reason. I guess I was kind of really didn't know where I wanted to go. I wanted these tires, I guess. So I was trying to figure out exactly what I wanted, I guess. But these are actually, these are Interco Sniper 920s. They are a, it says on there, ATV UTV tire, Sniper 920. And like I said, they are specifically made for ATVs, UTVs. This is a It's a 30 by 10 14. So, but I do have a few concerns on this tire. Not very many videos out there. There's a few videos of some smaller, I think 26s, maybe even a 27 I think I saw on a Ranger. But they didn't really give any specs. They didn't measure anything, so I didn't really have any idea on what to expect. Now these tires, this is the ultimate. So it came with the 29s front and back, the 29 9 14 in the front, 29 11 14 in the rear, and they're a true 29-inch tire. When you measure them, when they're aired up. As far as just comparing them right now, this tire looks a little smaller than the fronts. Now when I put it on the rear, when I compare it to the rear tire, it actually looks like it's a bigger tire, taller tire on the rear. So that's got me a little bit confused. It's almost like the front tires are taller than the rear tires, but that shouldn't be, because this is a four-wheel drive. So really you have to have the same size tire front and back, or you're going to start destroying stuff. But it appears that the fronts are actually a little bigger than the rear tires. So so this is probably like a ½ inch shorter, which is actually, it's a circle, so you divide that, so it's only like a ½ inch. It really isn't that much smaller. These that have a flatter tread on them than the tires that are on the Ranger now. Them are basically off-road tires. I mean, they're basically tractor tires. I know the tread's dirty, but it's pretty much a tractor type tread. And when you get this thing, 25 mile an hour, she starts buzzing. I mean, it really starts howling. And under that, on roads and stuff, it is very, noisy and a lot of vibration from them tires. And I get it. They're an off-road tire. They're designed to be off-road and sand, dirt, mud, gravel roads, I guess. Actually, I think these are going to do much better on gravel roads, hard-packed roads and stuff like that. But no, they advertise these tires as more of a truck type tire. They advertise them as being smoother, they're flatter, so they're going to run real nice on harder surfaces and still do good in the mud. One thing that I don't like is they are directional, so there really is no rotating them except for moving one to the back or moving the fronts to the back on the same side. Otherwise you got to demount and move them from rim to rim, but hopefully they're going to wear pretty good. They got that more truck tire flat. Like I said, it's more flat. So it actually, it's flatter than those tires. So those tires aren't 29 inches on the edge of the tire. They're more like, they're probably like a 28 on the edge really. But they kind of round, they're kind of rounded. These ones aren't going to round out like that. They should stay more flat like an actual truck tire. These are 8-ply. They are very stiff. These are very stiff tires. So it's probably going to be fun getting these mounted. They're supposed to wear more like a truck tire in the advertising. They're 8-ply. They're specifically, they're radials, and they're actually supposed to be lighter for use on ATV, UTVs. So I guess we'll see. I think I'm going to mount one up and kind of take a look and see what's going on. If it grows a little bit. I've not got my rims yet. When I get my rims, I will show you guys what I got going on there. But this is kind of an introduction to these Interco Sniper 920s, giving a little more information out there if others want to run these tires. 22 psi is their what they want you to run that, which is actually a lot for ATV, UTV tires. So that'll be interesting. I'll have to probably play with the tire pressures. But yeah, I had some Interco Super Swampers, I forget what they were, on my Ranger 800, I believe. Really like them tires. I love them tires. I've been trying to get back into the Interco tires for a while actually. The wheels and tires can make or break your vehicle. Yeah, I guess guys, a quick little video on the new tires that are going on the Ranger. When I get the rims, I'll post another video. I'll see you guys.